Is your PC feeling slow and unresponsive? What if I told you that you can significantly boost your PC's performance without installing any software at all? First, disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Then, go to the Startup tab. Disable apps you don't need when Windows starts. This alone can dramatically reduce boot time. Next, reduce visual effects. Open System Properties, go to Advanced Settings, then Performance Options. Select Adjust for Best Performance or manually disable animations. Your PC will feel faster instantly. A full drive slows everything down. Use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool to remove temporary files, system cache, and old updates. Free space means faster access and better overall performance. Make sure your system is up to date. Windows updates often include performance improvements, security fixes, and driver optimizations without needing extra apps. Check what's running in the background. In Task Manager, look for apps consuming too much CPU or RAM and close what you don't need. Less background load equals more power for what matters. By following these simple steps, you can make your PC faster, smoother, and more responsive without installing a single application. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a faster PC.